What's going on, everybody? Bones here, and we're gonna pop a cherry, and you're watching Cajun RNEWBBQ. So today we're gonna do up some cherry ribs. We're gonna smoke it in a cherry wood. We're gonna go ahead and hit it up in a cherry sauce while we baste it. We're gonna go ahead and do it up in some cherry barbecue sauce. We're gonna go ahead and put on some of that Meat Church Honey Hog seasoning. On top of that, we're gonna go ahead and put on some Cosmo's Dirty Bird. It's gonna taste great. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and season up these ribs. I'm not gonna go ahead and take off the membrane on the back. Just gonna go ahead and score it. I found that taking off the membrane or scoring it does about the same thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and do it that way. Gonna go ahead and put on some yellow mustard as our binder. First putting on that honey hog that I told you all about. It's got a very nice honey flavor to it. A little bit of spice. Gonna go ahead and now put on that Cosmo's Dirty Bird on this backside. Flip it over to the other side. We're going to go ahead and put these on now. Oh, we smelling so good right now. We finally at that saucing stage. Oh yeah. Today we're using some Hunt's Cherrywood Chipotle. It's got a nice little heat to it, plus it's got great cherry flavor on there. There we go. Gonna go ahead and put this back on the grill now. We all done now. Just look at those ribs. Oh yeah, just beautiful. Cuts through like butter. Nice smoke ring. Juicy, just dripping all over the place. Let's go in for that taste test. Here we go. Nice and tender. Nice and juicy. You can definitely taste that cherry. It's coming through strongly. Definitely got that kick with the Chipotle Cherrywood barbecue sauce coming through. Definitely going to do these again in the future. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.